How are you?
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. We have a very special video today. You'll see the rest of it. And but anyway, we're making potato salad. Japanese potato salad is from one of your long time fans from the time we began back in 2011. Just a little background story. Her name is Linda. They're from Ohio, but she's part American and part Japanese. Her mom used to watch the channel with her and the family back then, 10 years ago, Hiro. And since her mom's unfortunate passing back in 2014, she just sent a nice note and said the videos that she watches now really helps her cope with the sadness. Anyway, she requested for us to do a very special video, something that we haven't done on the channel, a Japanese potato salad dish. Hiro-san, have you made that before?
When I was in Japan, of course, but I haven't made it the Japanese style.
Okay. All right, let's talk about the ingredients. How's that?
Yes. Here's, of course, potatoes here.
Okay.
And beside, I'm going to use the sliced onion and the cucumber and the carrots. This one, after I cut off the small pieces, and first I'm going to boil it and make it cooling down. And you can use a ham or prosciutto or something else too. You know, several different ways to make instead of the ham. So today I'm going to use a prosciutto.
Okay.
Yeah, and then salt and pepper, and then Japanese mayonnaise here.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, that's it. It's very simple.
We can't wait. She's on the way here now. But in the meantime, Hiro, let's make this for her.
Yes. Okay.
All right. So we'll do first step.
I'm going to do potato and carrot. I need the boiling.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to do start with the carrot. Peeling off. Just cut into the small dice cut. Okay, this should be enough. Okay, this one boil. You can use the peeler too, anyway. Later on, we're gonna do smashing, so you don't need to really cut into smaller or a nice way. Just cut into like this much, like that, and put into the mortar. And of course, Japanese, potato salad. We're using the Hokkaido potatoes. That's the number one. Probably you saw the last trip to 2019 when we went to the Hokkaido.
Hiro-san, what a breakfast, huh?
Appetizer, 6種盛り.
This is amazing. I can't believe we were so spoiled here. Delicious, and it doesn't stop there. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It goes on and on and on. The food in Japan, especially in this hotel, is tremendous. Look at the salad. This is like incredible spread. Yep. And take a look at the scenery out here.
Okay, carrot is ready. I'm gonna strain out. Okay, then just make it cooling down. Okay, now potato, put on the heat. Okay, all the way cook.
How long do you?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Okay, next one, sliced onion. Okay. And then once I wash and strain up. Okay, Okay, next one, slice up the cucumber. And then this one, first I'm going to put into the bowl, and some of the salt on it. Then add to the water and soak into the salt water for a little bit. Now I'm going to cut to this prosciutto, cut into a little bit smaller.
Is prosciutto popular in Japan?
Prosciutto, actually, when I was little, I never had a prosciutto.
You never had prosciutto,
I
right?
never had a prosciutto.
Only had ham? But they have prosciutto, I'm sure, right? They have some
Yeah, of course they have a prosciutto. But especially my hometown is a very countryside, You say,
Let me tell you, Hiro always says Kochi is very countryside. No, it's like a suburb with everything.
But
Think of a suburb out of like Chicago or out of Miami or New York. It's
yeah.
got everything for you. Not really countryside.
Okay.
Countryside is Hokkaido. That's countryside. Where you see
Yeah,
cows.
where we went to, yeah, okay.
That's
But Sapporo, or those big cities,
Yeah.
Okay, so for now I just keep in the cooler. Then after I'm gonna mix it up with everything. Okay, cucumber and onion is ready. So I'm gonna strain out and then squeeze it. And nicely squeeze. Don't break it round shape. Okay, potato is ready. So I'm gonna strain out. So now I'm gonna how they call it?
Just smashing, I guess.
Oh, smashing, yeah.
Now, depending on how much you want to smash, you don't want to make it like
Yeah,
mashed potato, right?
Not too small.
Not too small.
Mm.
Maybe similar to the size of the carrots, you think?
Yeah, just some of the parts it's okay like this,
Okay.
Salt and pepper, little bit more.
So to me, maybe the difference between Japanese potato salad and American potato salad is American potato salad, you already cut it up in cubes and then you boil it, right? And you don't smash it. In Japanese, I guess you smash it after a while like this.
Mm.
Maybe, I don't know.
So, Japanese potato salad is supposed to be Japanese potato, Japanese mayonnaise, Japanese cucumber, Japanese
So it's from
onions.
Japan. Yeah, I guess so. This is kind of a hybrid. Japanese mayo, but American potatoes, American onions, and cucumber.
Yeah, mix vegetable into the potato. Okay, carrots and the onion. And then cucumber. Then I'm gonna start to add the mayonnaise. Little by little.
Well, I guess you add the mayo to however you like the consistency, huh?
Hmm? Yes,
You
yes,
add
yes.
the yeah.
Mm.
If you like it creamier, add more. Less, and add less.
Yeah. So mayonnaise is really how much you want,
How much you like in it, yeah.
Yeah. So
There's no
Okay.
right or wrong.
you can adjust them, and then of course these all items, the ingredients you can adjust them.
Exactly.
So anyway, okay. Now I'm gonna add the prosciutto.
Now, again, we have some guests coming over, Linda and her family. And this is especially made for her. This is the taste of Japanese potato salad. I think this is going to be very, very close. The only difference is it says prosciutto instead of regular ham. So, we'll see.
Okay. こんにちは。寺田寿司道場の寺田です。今回ですね、日本のサブタイトルを入れてですね、新しいチャンネルがスタートしました。オリジナルのチャンネルはダリー・アリーズ・オブ・アマスター・寿司シェフと言いますね。日本のね、サブタイトルを入れてですね、日本の皆さんに楽しんでもらいたいと思いまして、このチャンネルを始めました。どうぞご覧ください。Today I have a great news.Japanese subtitle version channel is start. The name is Terada Sushi Dojo. It's in the kanji. Of course, you guys cannot read it, but a new channel. It's already started. Please watch it. So every video at the beginning, I am speaking in Japanese, a special introduction there. So something new. And in the future, a lot of videos coming. Also Japanese special version of the video also coming too. So please stay tuned and more subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.